Hello. If you have multiple credit cards and always wonder which one to use for the best cashback or reward, this is for you. Introducing SmartCard AI, a custom GPT built to maximize your credit card benefits. Whether you are ordering grocery from Zepto, booking a flight, or paying for fuel, just ask SmartCard AI which card is best for this, and it tells you instantly which of your card gives the best deal with a clear explanation. SmartCard AI is built on top of ChatGPT, so there is no need to install or download another app. Just open ChatGPT, select the custom GPT, and start chatting. It uses your preference, current credit card offers, and your credit card portfolio to give smart, personalized answers. And best part is it's 100% private. We never ask for your credit card, debit card, bank number, name, or any sensitive data. Just tell us the card name like HDFC Regalia, Axis X, and that's it. Let me show you how simple it is. So I have already stored the name of all the credit cards which I hold. This is how the screen is going to look like. This is how you can actually go into the GPTs and search for SmartCard AI. I will also link the description of the SmartCard AI in the links in the description of the video. And when you come here first time, you have to tell the GPT that how many credit cards you hold. So I have already kept the list of those credit card uh, ready for me, and I will just enter this, and it is going to remember it forever. Okay. Now we can ask any questions. So, for example, let me ask which credit card is best for shopping on Chroma online. Okay. So what you are seeing as of now is it is going to give you answer in this format, which credit card is best from your portfolio, the cards which you hold, and it is also going to tell you which credit cards in the market can also be used, which you can consider applying. And it will also tell you what are the other tips, etc. And the final tip. So here we can see that 5% new coin can be earned on Tata partner brands like Chroma, etc. Similarly, we can ask questions like, again, Tata Neo Infinity. If we are doing offline shopping at Tata partners like Chroma, Westside, etc., then obviously it is Tata Neo Infinity. At other places, if we do even UPI transactions using RuPay credit cards of Tata Neo Infinity, then we get 1.5% cashback. And similarly, the second best option which we have is SBI cashback card, which will give 1% flat cashback on any offline purchases. And it will also give you other cards which are on lower priority, which are in our uh, portfolio. Okay. So yeah, that's how you can use it and why it is useful. The credit card rewards are always awesome, but only if you know which card to use, right? You have to maximize your savings. Smart Card AI keeps up with changing offers, spends, and category, so you don't have to. It's like having your own personal credit card expert in your pocket, which is powered by AI, updated second to second. Now, try SmartCard AI now. No setup, no download, no risk. The link is in description below. And if you love saving money, smart tools like this, hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment. Thank you.